Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. So for AVAX, we also have good chances now that we are in an uptrend, but I want to show you first the bearish scenario, which is still very much valid. And to be fair, which for me here still has more weight than, for example, if I look at other coins. AVAX, I'm still concerned just generally due to the whole chart structure. And for me personally, there's just better charts, and therefore I'm extremely skeptical about the possible end here of a correction for AVAX. I'm happy if it is ended, this overall correction, but I have to be very honest with you, until we go above $103, the downside potential due to the chart structure of AVAX is still very much real. I mean, already a move above $53 will give us some relief, but the $103 level is important. That is that wave B. That is just purely due to the chart structure. Until we get above the wave B, there is still downside potential. And this chart, just from an Elliott Wave point of view, does not look bullish, to be honest. I mean, it can work out bullish, yes, but in contrast to many other charts, it can also count very much corrective. What do I mean with that? It means that we can count this as an A, B, C, and all of this as an impulse down, which would mean we have to get below $1 basically. This doesn't mean we have to get there, but it means the chart contains that possibility. Other charts don't necessarily do that. This AVAX chart does, and therefore, if I look at projects or charts, I'd rather at the moment choose a different chart. I myself, you can of course do what you think is right, and if you love the project, fair enough, but I'm just telling you how I see the market, of course. Now, nevertheless, there is a chance we go up from here, but let's take a look at the bearish scenario first, which I think is also relevant because we still have not managed to get above the 88.7% FIB level here at around $25, $25.50. So this is the lower level here of that yellow box. A move above that would at least bring us above the 88.7% FIB level. As I often say, a coin or generally any asset that dropped below the 88.7% FIB level is in more danger, involves more risk of no recovery. And again, it doesn't mean it will never recover. It just means it will have more difficulties and it might take longer to recover. Another example of that is VeChain, which also seems to love it below the 88.7% FIB level. And that just shows that this level is very relevant because other coins which did not drop below that level, like for example Matic, are currently pumping. Okay, so the bearish scenario is still very much valid. It could be that down here we saw a wave 3 that was the low at 1381. We are currently moving up in a wave 4 as per this scenario in an ABC pattern here, or this was the A, this was the B. Let me just show you that. So A, B, and the C is this one. How high can the wave C go? So there are two targets. One is the 1-to-1 ratio, one is the 1.618 extension, and the 1-to-1 ratio was already reached. So this is currently where we are. So there's a chance that we already reverse down. If we do that, don't get any higher, then it's a really, really good indication that this is just the wave 4, and we will see another impulse down in a 5-wave move below the $13.80 level. And that could then indeed go below $1. I'm very honest with you. Another reason why we then couldn't, because there is a potential to count this as a 1, 2, and a wave 3, but the wave 3 would at least need to reach 1.618 extension around $30. So if we're already turning around here, this will confirm that this is just an ABC. Well, the C wave could also reach the $30 level, and then it will be the decision point. If we then go down in a 5-wave move, it again will indicate that this here was the wave 4 and we're coming down. If we come down in a 3-wave move, then it's going to indicate that we're going to move up, and I'm going to show you that now in the bullish scenario. So let's say I would give the bearish scenario a chance all the way up to $30. Above $30 we can get much more optimistic here, and also we would by then have moved above the 88.7% FIB level. So what I would want to see is a move substantially above $30 to be more confident about a bullish breakout. Of course, even if I'm saying we come down here once more, at the moment at least, yeah, at the moment, and I'm telling you very clearly from which point of view I can get a bit more bullish, you can see that still we moved above this descending trend line. So basically you had an inverse head and shoulders here, something we saw on many crypto charts, then a retest from above, and then quite a bit of a move up, quite strongly actually. Yeah? So there was still here a pattern that could be traded and a possible reversal like we see it currently on many other cryptocurrency charts. You can also see this as a descending wedge with a fake out to the downside. No matter how you see it, it's a bullish reversal pattern. Okay, so let's take a look at the bullish scenario. The bullish scenario would assume this was the 3, this was the 4, this was the 5. All of this was finished here. The correction, the low is in, and we are now starting to move to the upside. In that scenario, we would be expecting a 5-wave move up. At the moment, I only see 3 waves. So we want a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. And again, here very relevant that in the wave 3, we at least reach $30. Even better would be higher. Yeah, because the more bullish a coin is, and if we really are in a breakout, oftentimes the altcoins reach higher levels than the 1.618 extension. However, then what would be the target for the wave 5? That could be $38. And when we have the first 5-wave move complete, what normally happens is we will get an ABC correction, because all of these 5 waves will be corrected down in ABC. And then we could come down once more into the region, maybe around, yeah, $25, you know, where we're basically now. So therefore, from that point of view, there would then still be another entry opportunity. This, of course, depends how high wave 5 really goes, how high wave 3 goes. Maybe we will not come down to 25, but only to 30. This will need to be seen, but anybody who wants a little bit more assurance that the low could be in can, of course, wait for that ABC, and I'll make you aware of that on this channel. All right, and that is currently my view about AVAX. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.